Let's learn how to change the properties of a job using ImageCut. For this walkthrough, we have a simple job that was created as a single piece and then printed two up on the printer that was used to produce it. Our goal is to not rebuild the file and cut both pieces at once. First, open the file in ImageCut. You can see the file is a single up decal that's ready to be cut. To begin to add the second print in this cut, you'll need to first import the SVG as a template. Go to File, Import SVG as a template. A dialog box will pop up. The file was printed in 2 columns, so we'll make the number of columns 2. Then we'll tell ImageCut that we have 2 pieces to cut by changing the quantity to 2. Select OK to continue. The print was done with a 30mm offset between prints, so we also need to adjust that. Go back to File, Import SVG as Template. Adjust the horizontal space to 30 and select OK. This will separate the 2 pieces by 30mm. If this was a job we were doing often, we can save this or any cut as a template. To do that, go to File, Export as VXML. This is a machine language file that ImageCut can use to read. Name your file as appropriate and select Save. To open a template you've saved from ImageCut, go to File, Import VXML. The file will open. Select the camera and find the first crop mark. Once found, select Found, and the Integra will move to the next. Select Found for the second crop mark. Continue until all 4 crop marks are found. Now is a good time to turn on the vacuum table. Select the Cut button. ImageCut will open up SmartCut. In SmartCut, select Cut, then select Start, and the cuts will execute until completed.